Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make roasted garlic mashed potatoes. And I am going to be making this with my meatloaf. So make sure y'all check out this video as well. Also y'all, before we get into it, y'all already know, do not forget to get y'all cookbooks. Good Cooking and Keep Cooking. It is going to be on Amazon. You can search my name or you can search the title of the book, okay? So without further ado y'all, let's just get into it. First thing y'all want to do is take y'all garlic and we're going to cut it in half or just cut the top off. Like this. We're going to put some oil on it. Let me show y'all, get into it. We're going to add some pepper and some salt. This is kosher salt I'm using, y'all. Roast this in the oven for about 40 minutes or an hour, okay? Because this is the first part we got to do because this takes the longest. And then after we do this, we're going to go ahead and peel our mashed potatoes. So you want to take your potato. These are golden potatoes. And you just want to peel it. Once it's peeled, you want to cut it in half. Then you want to cut it again. You want to make sure it's kind of even, which I didn't, but then cut it again. Okay. Depending on how big or small your potatoes is, you want to make sure you have a good enough size. Put them in some cold water and let them sit. Okay, so we have the garlic out. We're just gonna open it up and let it cool off before we squeeze it out because it's too hot. Okay, so we have our potatoes and I showed y'all about like the size, like how I cut them. Okay, we're just gonna boil these with some salt. All right, so we're gonna heavily salt the water, and then we're gonna add our potatoes in. And then y'all, we're just gonna bring this to a boil and boil it until it's fork tender. Okay, that's how we want the potatoes. Now we're just gonna strain the water out of these. Put it back in, get all the water out. Okay y'all, so we have a half a cup of heavy cream and a half a cup of whole milk. Then we're gonna stick in a little bit of rosemary, a stick of butter. And then we have our roasted garlic. So we're not gonna let this boil, we're just gonna let it simmer and let the butter just melt. That's about it, y'all. The butter is melted. And this is how we're gonna get our potatoes out, y'all. We're gonna push it through this sifter. Now you can use a smasher or whatever how you want, but I wanna get some smooth potatoes. So this is gonna take me a while. Just wanna push it off the bottom like that. Okay, then we're gonna take this mixture and pour it in there like that. And then just wanna push it through the sifter. Chives, a little bit of Parmesan. Now you can taste it and see where you need salt and all of that. Only thing you're gonna add to this now is just salt, if you need it. All right, y'all, this is how it came out. Super, super creamy. Add a little bit of butter on there for a little touch and some chives. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!